Welcome to Paradise, the Aston Kauai Beach at Makaiva. This lush property is the home to some of the most beautiful views on Kauai, right on Makaiva Bay in Waipoli. Take a relaxing stroll along the beach. Enjoy all that the Aston Kauai Beach at Makaiva has to offer. Cozy rooms, friendly service, and so much more. Call them today to book your company Christmas party or to find out their latest lunch specials at Cook's Landing or for great deals on rooms. You can also check out FM97radio.com.
Aloha! My name is Rafael Carmelo, Executive Chef at the beautiful Aston Kauai Beach at Makaiva. Next to me is Mr. Jason Fujinako, FM97. Jason, what brings you to our restaurant?
Well, this place is one of the premier spots on the island, the home of some excellent food. They have their prime rib and seafood buffets every Friday nights, movie nights, and so much more here.
Yep, that's right. And you know what, Jason? We also use this restaurant, the Voyager Grill restaurant, to cater events. We can do weddings here, we can do reception, we can do whatever you want. You know, we take care of the work for you. We take care of the food, we take care of service, and we just want you to have a good time.
Oh, you'll definitely have a great time here at the Aston Kauai Beach at Makaiva in Waipoli. Call today to book your reservations.
So we invite you down at the Aston Kauai Beach of Makaiva. Come join us.